Better I'll switch it on, isn't it? Right, so this is a Fiesta XR2 barn find, literally. But it's in pretty good nick. Could be for sale, but it won't be cheap. English right-hand drive car. I'm not sure if it's French registered, but been in France a long time, so it's probably not as rusty as your average thing. Also, that was in the same barn, whatever the hell that is. No idea. Oh, I think it's an Alfa Romeo. And that came out as well, which I'm told is quite rare. Right-hand drive. One owner from new, I think. According to the owner, the guy that's got it now. I almost forgot this one.
Hey?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you'd like them.
I'm on my thingy.
Hey? You what?
I think this is a right-hand drive. Looking at the English plate there.
Just been dragged out of the barn alongside the other one. It was a lot dirtier, but the rain's washed it off. It's 1993 2-litre Calibra. And this one's left-hand drive. Looking a bit worse for wear.